encouraging the weary, their lives a living testament to God's sustaining grace. Surrounded by so great a cloud of witnesses, let us run the race not only for the prize, but as those who've gone before us, let us give to those behind us the heritage of faithfulness as born through godly love. Oh, may all who come behind us find us faithful. May the fire of our devotion light their way. May the footprints that we lead them to believe, and the lives we live inspire them to obey. Oh, may all who come behind us find us faithful. After all our hopes and dreams have come and gone, and our children sleep through all we've left behind, may the clothes that they discover and the memories we uncover become the light